Hey you guys, it's Megan. It is late 10 p.m. and I was just painting my nails and I realized I want to go through my nail polishes and get rid of as many as I can part with, because this is how many I have now. I used to have so many more, but I don't know, I just feel like I want to get rid of a lot of nail polish and just have ones that I really love. I really want to get more of the Rescue Beauty Lounge polishes, and I can't buy any right now, but those are the ones that I really love. And so I just want to pare down my collection, pass on a lot of these to my friends and my sister and my mom, and just like have less, because this, just looking at this, is very overwhelming and I don't want to feel that way about something that should just make me happy. So I'm going to get rid of as many as I can, and show you guys how few I will hold on to. And this is gonna be hard. I know that this will be hard, but I'm excited. So let's see how many I can get rid of. Okay, so I put these into 3 piles. So this is my going to throw out pile. These are all too old, and then these, I'm really sad about these. These are the Skylark by Ellen Blair Fowler, and I've been retrying these out and they're just so streaky. Like, I tried to paint my nails with this tonight with Jelly Shot. It was horrible, so I'm just going to throw those out. These Sally Hansen, I have 2 of these minis, these salon manicure ones. I got these years and years ago, and I was going to try to force myself to use them up, but I'm just going to toss them. And then this is also a super old polish. This is Sephora by OPI Ocean Love Potion, and it's just too old. So these I'm throwing away. These I'm going to, sorry, was I just focusing on my knee? I'm going to pass these on to other people. They are all perfectly usable. Basically, I just went with my gut, and I think I have to go through these again because I want them to fit into like 2 containers. So these are the ones that I'm saying I'm keeping. So I'm a little tossed up on a few of them. Some of them I haven't used in a long time, and so I don't know if I want to keep them or not. That's why I think that I should go through them again. But some of them are only like, you know, like special occasion, like a certain outfit or a certain whatever it's good for, but you don't really wear it any other time. So I'm gonna see if it can fit into here, and if it can, then I will basically keep them all. But when I'm putting them away, I'm going to film it and go through it again and see if I can part with any others. So I'll film that as well. Okay, so I am going to pass on these as well. These are all perfectly good, but I am going to put them in my pass on pile. And then I added, oh god, my foot, that is weird. I added this one and this one to my throw out pile because they are old and stuff too. So these are all the ones I'm getting rid of. I'm so happy. This is my whole nail polish collection now. And this is probably still a little bit larger than I would like. But it is way better than how many I had before. Like I had these, this, and this completely full. So now I'm a little bit less freaked out on how much I have. These are basically all colors that I've used in the past year at least once. They're all colors I really like. I try not to keep 2 or 3 colors that look basically the same, so I just picked the one that I've used the most recently. So that's how I did it. Yeah, so I hope that this is interesting or inspiring, and if you are just freaked out about the amount of stuff you have, or a certain area in your room or in your house or in your life is sort of stressing you out or freaking you out, take my advice, just do it right away. If you can do it right away, do it then. I feel a lot better. I got rid of so much, and I know that some of my friends are going to really enjoy these nail polishes. So I hope that you liked this video. I just did my nail polish collection at the beginning of the summer. Now it's basically the end of summer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you all are having a great night, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye!